So does it need to look? So first of all, that's fascinating. We've stated some clear principles here. Now, does it have to look like the brain outside of those principles as well? Like, what other characteristics have to look like the human brain, or can it be something very different?
Well, it depends on what you're trying to use it for. And so I think a lot of the community asks that question a lot. What are you going to do with it? And I completely get it. I think that's a very important question. And it's also sometimes not the most helpful question. What if what you want to do with it is study it? What if you just want to see what do you have to build into your hardware in order to observe these dynamical principles? So,
And also, sometimes I ask myself that question every day, and I'm not sure I'm able to answer that. So, like, what are you going to do with this particular neuromorphic machine?
right. So suppose what we're trying to do with it is build something that thinks. We're not
Right.
trying to get it to make us any money or drive a car. Maybe we'll be able to do that, but that's not our goal. Our goal is to see if we can get the same types of behaviors that we observe in our own brain. And by behaviors in this sense, what I mean, the behaviors of the components, the neurons, the network, that kind of stuff. I think there's another element that I didn't really hit on that you also have to build into this, and those are architectural principles. They have to do with the hierarchical modular construction of the network. And without getting too lost in jargon, the main point that I think is relevant there, let me try and illustrate it with a cartoon picture of the architecture of the brain.